Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How is everybody doing once again? Great to have you all here. Lovely stuff. As you can see, the markets are doing pretty well today. We're out of Mullen. Of course, the big story yesterday was we sold all our Mullen. We are looking for a re-entry point in it. We'll look for it today if we can. If there's an opportunity, we'll get back in it. Let's type it straight in now and let's see how it shows up on the chart. Let's have a quick look. Let's get straight into the trades. There we go. There's Mullen Automotive right now. It is down 4%. It's exactly what we want to see. Not for the bag holders, of course. We don't want to see it for them, but we do want to see it for us so we can get an entry point in and so on. So there we go. Let's look at the overall portfolio. Right now, as you can see, we're moving up. Let me drag that one over here so we've got that right at the front of the screen, of the chart. There we go. Right, there we go. Let's bring in everybody also here on TikTok and YouTube. Already, he hates us. Ali, who hates who? Who hates who? He's not jumping into chat rate. What's going on? Come on, Martin, rise and shine. Here I am. What's going on? What are you talking about? Unconditional love. Absolutely. Martin, did you get rid of Shiba? I haven't. Well, I've been giving it away. I have been giving it away. Why? What's new? Moves. It's tax time. The hardest part is getting all the documents from some platforms. Yeah, I know. I hate tax time. I've got to do my taxes today. Your hate is you were late. I'm terribly sorry, Ali. I was late. You're absolutely right. I apologize. Look, you can get, when you start becoming the biggest YouTube channel in the world, you can't get away with anything. So there we go. You can't get away with nothing now. You're with the biggest YouTube channel in the world, right? Excellent stuff. I tell you what, I'm thrilled to bits this morning. We've got a lot of stuff to celebrate today on the show. A lot of stuff. Look, we've got 13 likes already. We've opened the show with 13 watching, 13 likes. Smash the like button if you've just tuned in. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. There we go. Great stuff. Give us a thumbs up. Let's get into the show. Let me check all the screens. Yep, everything's all running and perfect. Over on TikTok, how are you all this morning? We sold all our Mullen yesterday. We made $2,000 profit. I gave my Shiba away. I'll explain that later. I'm also out of Bitcoin because I know it's up, but there's better opportunities in the market right now. And what goes up always comes back down. We'll see a dip. I'm sure we will. As you can see, it's falling again today. Smash the bloody like button. All. Yes. Do as Mike says. That's his trademark. All right. Wife does the taxes. I'm tax-free. Oh, gosh. I got to do mine. I hate it. It's so easy to do, though, to be honest. It's just I can't be bothered. I just don't like doing it. All my accounts are done on EasyBooks. It's an app I use, and all I've got to do is press a button and like, finalize it and email it. I heard. I'm happy for you. Yeah, 2,000. You heard. Where did you hear the information? Where did you hear that? Where did you hear that information? But yeah, the word's out. The word's out on the street. Martyn Lucas, the day trader, made $2,000 in one day. Yeah, brilliant. So Mullen. So yeah, basically we rode it all the way up and I sold it here. I didn't sell it at its high. I sold it around about 370, something like that, because I took the 15% swing. I allowed it to drop 15% before because I wanted to stay in the game. You never know. It could have kept on going. But right now it's down with 309. Now then, we want to get back in. We bought in, of course. If we look at our history, we can see we bought it at 239. We got back in at 239. The first time was 212, 181, 176. I mean, we had different levels, but I made money from 239. 239. So that doesn't mean to say we're going to make money again at 239, but we'd like to be in it. It's a lot of fun, but right now we're out on the sidelines. Okay. Development Alert Uganda. Excellent. How are you today? Of course, we've got the fundraiser for Zach on Friday. I will be announcing that later on this afternoon in the afternoon show. Hope we can all support that. Very, very important. Very important indeed. Good stuff. Thank you very much indeed, Zach. This week, of course, is a special week because we're all doing the Creators for Peace week. And it's a thing that's happening all across the board with creators, including myself. Let me bring that down there. I want to put that down there today. There we go. That's better. And we are supporting, of course, everyone in the Ukraine. But I've been doing it since the war started. It's not a new thing for me. I've been doing it every day, and I'll be doing it till the end. It's not just for a week. As far as I'm concerned, it's till the war is over. Anyway, let's have a look. What's the breaking news in the chat? Beetle Sean says, hi, Zach. Hi, Dev. I watched the show later in the day. I was slammed with the stupid crypto CSV files. I'm not done. 4 more crypto platforms to go. Hey, alert. What's alert? What's Mike? What's going on, Mike? Mike says, hey, alert. What's alert? You scared me now. Alert? What's going on? Hey, Mike and all development. Alert. Development alert. Okay. Okay, I got it. Don't explain. I got it. Took me a while, but I got there in the end. We're on YouTube right now. Come and join us if you want to be part of our trades here on YouTube. Okay, let's have a look now at our stocks. The overall portfolio is up today. Let's get some perspective. Get some perspective in it, shall we? It's up today on the hour, on the day, slightly down on the day, very slightly. 35% on the week. This is my actual money, my actual portfolio, my actual shares. I've got some really exciting news to share with you in a minute as well. 20% on the month, 19.414. Sorry. 6% down on the last 3 months. But look, we were down like 20, 30, 25 grand at one point. We are now just 1,000 down, 2.27 down overall. Yesterday, we were somewhere in the region of 400 down. So we're 600 down from where we were yesterday, but we're getting very close to getting green again on the all position, which will be nice. Muzanella did 22 trades yesterday. Very, very nice indeed. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, we're coming up to the 15-minute before the bell goes. We've now learned that stop trading losses do not update outside of the hours, the extended hours. Okay, and now I know Robinhood tells me that, but I like to do it in practice to see it actually work. And we found that out yesterday. Okay. I deal in water hygiene. It might be worth a chat. I have 2001 an hour, 200 litres an hour HOLC generator in my garage. Right. Well, Alex, that might be something to talk about on Friday when we do our fundraiser for for Zach, one of our members. We are doing a fundraiser for him on Friday. Okay, on Friday, straight after the cash giveaway. There you go. On Yango Zachary from Uganda. I will set up that event for you today. All right, so stand by for that, everybody. Okay, if you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. There we go. Give us a thumbs up, and we've got 16 likes now. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Now then, I've got some exciting news. We got 1 more minute to go before I start the clock. I'll do that first. Thank you, Alex, for the information. There you go. Chat amongst yourselves. Reach out on all the social media. Are you going to buy more MUL? I'm hoping to. I'm hoping to use the profit I made to buy back in. So it's basically free shares. Yes. Yes. But I'm looking for an opportunity. I don't know if the opportunity is here yet. I mean, it could take off again from here. It could. It's down 4%. I don't know. See, it's overpriced at this price. It's overpriced, but there's this potential of $100 a share. Then it wouldn't matter, right? But be careful. It could go all the way down to zero, this one. This is a company that could go bankrupt. What will be very interesting is to see. Look, this will interest you all. Earnings report, April the 1st. 8 days, 9 days away, 10 days away. April the 1st. April Fool's Day. That's interesting. Expected April the 1st. That's April Fool's Day, everybody. Is the earnings report. Is it going to rise into the earnings report? I can't imagine the earnings report being very good. They've sold nothing. They've done nothing. So on April the 1st, you'd be a brave man, right? Anyway, I'm sitting at 3. I had bought in at... you bought in at 3. Did you not sell? Mike, you bought in at 3. Did you not sell? And when it got to $4.06 or whatever, you didn't sell at all? You kept it? My last order was after all the other trades. Oh, okay. All right. Right, 15 minutes to go. Here we go. 15 minutes. Let's bring it up. We're 15 minutes down before the bell goes. Right, now we've got a second before the bell goes. I want to share with you a couple of very exciting developments on our channel. I know you all care about this sort of stuff. So, first of all, we've now got 2,423 subscribers. Gained a lot yesterday. And the reason why we gained so many, I want to share with you. We've got our very first video, a regular video, not a short, not a live show, but even those live shows don't come up to this. All right, our very first regular video, and it was the Mullen video, and you all commented on it. I appreciated it very, very much, very, very much indeed. Look at this, our first video to go over 500 views. Look at that. 565. Really excited. You can see how it lifted the show up, the views yesterday. Absolutely fantastic. I was so excited about it. So there we go. Obviously, our next target now is our first 1,000 view video. Now, I know the shorts have done a few thousand. That's different. Shorts are different. Shorts are very easy to get numbers on. But that's great. That's the very first video. That's done over 500, so I'm so excited about that. So thank you ever so much indeed. No, not yet waiting. Oh, you're waiting. Ooh, nice. 1,000 views next. Yes. Oh, Peru, thank you very much. Really excited. I mean, that's really great. Really great to get that sort of number on our video. Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, you're only competing with yourself. There's no point saying, well, yeah, Mr. Beast gets 20 million. You know, it doesn't matter. As long as you're growing. Yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. Very excited about it. So I brought a video out later on in the day, which is also doing pretty well. But you guys can all help me now. We've got 10 minutes. You've got nothing else to do for a minute. Here is the link. This is only a 2-minute video. So would you mind doing me a massive favour and help the channel grow again? There it is. There's part 2. That is Mullen sold. I'll post it 3 times. So if you wouldn't mind... There is part 2. If you go and click on that now, watch it, just let it run through. It damages the video if you don't let it run through. Here is the video, look. I sold my Mullen. Leave a comment, leave a like, and let it play all the way through. 100% views. Let's see if we can get, let's see who comments down here. We've got time, we've got 12 minutes before the bell goes. So everyone could do it. We've got lots of new people commenting. Let me put hi all and welcome. There we go. And I'm also going to copy this. And remember, I also, for my members, reply to all my members. It's the way to grow a YouTube channel. I don't just tell you this so I get you to comment on my videos. It really isn't why I do it. It helps all of us, right? How I've grown my channel is commenting on other successful YouTube channels. It really, really works. Okay? And I can actually promote your comments and highlight your comments by you commenting on my channel. All right? It really, really works. So we'll come back to that in a minute. It shows 91 views. I don't know why it shows 91. It's actually 100. Anyway, we'll come back to that in a minute. We'll see who's done it. But make sure that you like the whole video. Watch the whole video. It doesn't do me any good if you just play it and stop it. In fact, it does it worse. All right. Mike commented. Thanks, Mike. You have all organic views. All the big YouTubers buy the views. Yes, I know they do. I know. We have real organic views, real organic subscribers, everything. Absolutely. It's very, very easy to look good. But I have been advertising my music on the Martyn Lucas channel, as you know. I've been using YouTube ads with your donations and your tips because I want to reach a Ukraine audience, not to make money. I don't make any money from the music videos. I do it because I want to reach those people and share the message, right? That we're supporting them. And they like it. They respond to it. They like what I'm doing. So that's why I do it. And I pay to do that. And sometimes I might pay to promote a video I hear on YouTube. But I never buy the views. If you buy the views, you actually damage your channel. I know the big YouTubers do it, but you actually damage the channel. So don't ever do that, guys. It's very tempting. It's okay, I think, to do it up to 1,000 subscribers if that's your thing. That's okay, because you want to get to 1,000 subscribers, start monetizing. But you actually damage the channel if you use services like GetFans and all these things. Because if you buy views, it's not real views. It's bots, people from India who get paid to click on people's videos who don't actually watch them. They just click on it and off again, click and click and click. And all you end up doing is telling the algorithm that all these videos are rubbish because no one watches them. It's very, very easy. I could go out today and spend about $5,000 and have 30,000 subscribers, maybe more than that actually, thousands and thousands of views, but no one would watch. No one would watch the show. No one would be here, and it's pointless. You want to grow a channel. That's why, even though we're a small channel, we have such dedicated team members that are here every day, and everyone's a member. That's what will make us the biggest YouTube channel in the world, because we are actually watching and engaging and liking and sharing. And as Ali says, I commented, I always do as I'm told. Ali always does as he's told. There you go. It's people like Asops. Yeah, Asops. Oh, yeah, like the robots. Yeah, the bots. Well, we haven't established whether he's real or not yet, because he does have a very good AI. If he isn't real, played it to the end and commented as well. There you go, played it to the end. Look at this, Zach from Uganda. Now you cannot, all the Americans and the English. Are you going to be beaten by Africa? Are you going to be beaten by Zach from Uganda? He played and commented all the way to the end. So come on, sort yourself out. Are you a day trader? Are you a member of the family? Are you here? Do the right thing. Let me go back now to that video and have a look at it. See what you all did. Right. You're the pack leader. Yes. It's the rat pack. It's the day trader pack, isn't it? That's what it is. Okay. Did you notice something else today, folks, when you started the video? Did you notice something else about the video as well? A little legal requirement, because I have sponsors, because I have people like Alex here in the house. Is Alex here? Did you notice one little detail when you started the video? 10 points for anybody who noticed something very, very, very important, very, very legal and technical. Did anybody notice it? I wonder if anybody noticed it. Little legal thing. Ooh, very nice, guys. You've just watched the video. Very, very good. 18 of you just watched it in the last... Bloody hell, that's good. That's as many people who are watching the show have all just watched it. I've had 18 views in the last 60 minutes. That's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. You've exceeded yourselves again today, guys. Right, we got 5 minutes to go. I noticed you were late. Yeah, you did. Well, you can do that when you're the biggest YouTube channel in the world. You can be 5 minutes late. It's allowed. Right, yeah, it's at 18. That's very good. Very good in the last 60 minutes. Very, very good. So 568 and 111. Very, very nice indeed. All right. Thank you very much, guys, for all playing your part in that. All right. Thank you very much. Right, 5 minutes ago, before the bell goes, the soft bell, it's Martyn's Dance Show. Yes. What? Was there a disclaimer? Yes, you got it. Deep in the money wins the points. Thank you very much for playing, being involved. The rest of you, boo to you. You couldn't be bothered to even answer me. So, yeah, deep in the money. if you put if you've got paid content, if someone's sponsoring something, you have to declare it. It's not a problem. It's not a bad thing. It's just so when people watch the video, they know your opinions may be biased. Your opinions may be biased, which is not actually the case at all. I'm not actually, no one's paying me to say anything, but the commercial is, if someone adds a if someone has an ad, if you're advocating to someone, if you're promoting somebody, someone's paid you essentially, given you compensation for something, then you have to say it. Now it says if you don't declare it, you could be in trouble. Your channel could be in trouble, and I thought I should probably start doing it because it's the truth. I do get paid $99 a month to promote 3 companies, even though no one's promoting me directly to, for the stocks and the shares and so on. I do get paid to promote those companies. So it does include some paid advertisement. So there you go. Right. We are up 0.73. We're watching Mullen. Now, Peru Investors here. I want to ask Peru, what do you think? What's the play? What is the play with Mullen? It's down today. Do we buy in? 307. It's all the way down from 414. 414. What do you think? Do we get back in at 3? At the end of the day, get back in at 3. USD to Japan crashing after hitting all-time high. Thank you very much, Ali. Anyone wants to buy some? Is it Nippon? Is it Nippon? Is it what's the Japanese currency? Anybody looking to do that? Grow together, grow to viral. Very much indeed. Looking at the WDH. Thank you for sharing that. If you want to share it with our traders. Oh, hang on, we got some breaking news here. Tan, right? I'm in there today. Tan, T-A-N-H. Yes, I bought 1,000 shares yesterday. So for those of you that wasn't here yesterday, we got 2 minutes to go before the pre-market. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell if you've just joined us. This is an interesting one. T-A-N-H. We got this yesterday. And it was a quick flip, this one, apparently. I bought 1,000 shares of it. What's it going to do today? This is a Chinese stock. I don't invest in Chinese stocks. It's just a flip trade. Tantech Holdings. We got this information yesterday. Let's see what it does. It's up at the moment, which is very unusual when you buy in a stock and you're immediately up. But I'm immediately up 0.5%, 0.34, $1.80. I've only got $500 worth of the stock. Very, very cheap. IonQ is doing well, up 1.58. We also bought Ginkgo Bioworks yesterday as well. Uber we also bought yesterday. So all of these stocks yesterday are Peru Invest top tips. And thank you, Peru, for doing that. Peru has now been right 99% of the time. So base that as you will. Mullen, we're waiting to decide what to do. There's no information on it at the moment. I don't know what the position there should be, whether we should buy it, sell it, hold it. I don't know. I'm out of it. I've made profit. What I don't want to do is buy back in at $2,000, a profit that I made, and it crash all the way down to $1, which it could do. I'd like to buy it lower than this, but who knows? What's up with Tilray? Tilray, what's Tilray? Let's have a look. Ion, Ginkgo, Uber, Tilray Brands. It's down 2.83. I got 200 shares of this one. 2.83. Peru. Kathy Wood trades. Deep in the money. Right, the bell's gone. I need to correct the timer. It wasn't quite right. Apologise for that. I missed the timer. Let me clear that off the screen. We are now into the pre-market. Okay, let's refresh. All right, we're up 44.9. We're up 0.79. We're on the way up today. Mullen is down 4.67. 306. It's going down now. Where are we going with Mullen? Watch it closely. The Vanguard S&P, my VU is up now over 6%. Up on the pre-market as well. That's good. Tantec is down, is up 1.3. It's a small trade. We're looking to flip it. Awesome. Let's look at our our Bitcoin. I'm currently out. It's down, but now rising again. I'm waiting for a much greater dip from this. I think it's worth holding. I do think it's worth holding crypto on your balance sheet, but I think there's better opportunities for my money right now. That's why I'm not in it right now. Just wanted to be absolutely clear of that. Google is up 0.303. Sorry, Apple's up 0.16. Boeing is down again. We're having a lot of problems with Boeing right now, down 24%. Rolls-Royce is down. We lost all our gains. We had some real good profits with Rolls-Royce. I'm afraid we lost all those. On is down. Sorry, it's up. It's flat, actually. It's right on the button. Okay, Immersion is up 1.3. PayPal is up 0.49. Palantir is a wash. Now, we've got some good news coming out of the war today. It looks like there could be the end of the war in sight, because what it looks like happening, what it looks like is Vladimir Putin was worried about Ukraine being in NATO. Well, they were never going to be in NATO. They will eventually, but not for a long time. Gauze is now up 5%, dropping back slightly. Now, Peru said he's going to sell, he's going to buy in at $9. Now, he wouldn't buy in if he didn't think it was going to go up. Now, I'm in at 11.30 now. So he thinks, this is what he thinks, it's going to drop when the merger goes through, because the early investors, in his opinion, sell out when the merger goes through, and then the stock will drop, and then they'll make money, then they'll buy back in again. Now, so for me, I've made 5%, $54. It's not really much, is it? I could hold this. I could sell this now, buy it back in at 9 something. So take the small profit if that happens. It looks like the merger's getting close, but by the fact it's risen up so much, or hold it at this position and forget about the $9 saving, maybe add to my position if it gets to $9, and then ride it up. That could be a play to go. This is, of course, going to be Polestar, so another EV company. So that's the reason why I'm holding this. And that came from that tip came from Muzanella, by the way. All right, Meta Platforms. Facebook is up 0.1. Let's get through our stocks here. Palantir is up 0.32. Nvidia is up 0.66. Twitter is up 0.24. Amazon is just down very slightly, but I'm up 13% on Amazon now. Very good. Virgin Galactic is up 1%. I'm up 25% now, 24.71. So really great now with Virgin Galactic. Made a lot of money with Virgin Galactic. Good. Rivian is up as well. I'm up 10% overall. It's at 0.62 today. Tesla, 928, 0.74. I'm up 15% now on Tesla. Very, very good. This is the potential merger with SpaceX. This is something very exciting. I like the idea of this. I'm down 0.5%. Tilray Brands is now moving up today, 0.19. That answers your question, Bill. Uber is up 0.38. Very good. Ginkgo is up 1.68. Ginkgo Bioworks making some money here today. All right. IonQ is just down very slightly. This is our Quantum Computers. Tantech Holdings. Okay, it's now up very slightly at 0.36. VU is up 0.32. I'm up 6.19. And Mullen is down 8%. Whoa, we're down at 296 now. Mullen is it a buyback? Is it a buyback? What do we think on Mullen right now? 296. I'm going to buy a single share. I bought one. I'm surprised that went through. I didn't realize it. Didn't think it would go through like that, but it did. A good retail stock. Yeah, Walmart. Walmart is good. I like Walmart. Costco, another good one. Mullen is diving. Look at it. Mullen is diving off a cliff, down 10%. It's going down as fast as it went up right now. Okay. It's going down as fast as it went up right now. Okay. Let's have a look at this one. How long are we into the video? How long are we into the video? 31 minutes. All right. This is a new little idea I've got. Mark the video, and I can make a video during a show. 31 mins Mullen. Okay. So this is how I make my videos. Can do them during the shows as well. Okay, so bear with me, folks. I'm now going to make a video. All right. Breaking news, Mullen Automotive. Look at the stock right now. It is down 8.41 on the pre-market, down to $2.94. We made our profit yesterday. We sold out of our stock. We sold it all out. We made $2,000 profit, but right now you can see it falling down. It's now down 8.10 on the pre-market. We will be watching this throughout the day. We are looking to get back in. I've just bought one share as a marker. And if it drops any more, under 2, I will go all back in again and use half of the profits I made, make 2,000, so I'll use 1,000. That way, it's free money. If it goes down, I'm still up $1,000, but it would be worth making that re-entry. Join us live every day on the Day Trader. We're actually live right now. I'm making this video during a live show. Join all our traders. Get top tips, great advice from all our traders who are actually showing you their real trades, their real positions. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, guys, that's how I make a video. All right, I will edit that video down. That's ready to go right at the end of the show. I wonder if I can edit it and post it during the show. If I had another computer, I could drag that video, because technically, no, I can't. Of course I can't, because it's due until I end the broadcast. Yeah. No, I can't do that. That'd be impossible. Right, $2.95. Me too. Sipping tea from my Martyn Lucas Day Trader mug. There you go. Nudge it, budget, move it mug. There it is. Wow, the pro in action. Only thing I didn't do though, I didn't do any screenshots or screen movements. I might add that later. I often think I should do that during a show because. You need to like jump in quickly. Oh, hang on, look at it. Right, what's it going to do? I've just bought one share as a marker. What we want to see it fall down and then jump in. But remember, this was over $4 a stock. What's everyone think? Is Mullen going to fall before it rises? Very good question. That's if only you knew that. If only you knew that, we'd all be rich. And then if we're all rich, no one would be rich. It doesn't work that way. The pre-market is up. Really good. 282. What's everyone's opinion on it right now? If you've just tuned in and you're new here, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, the day trader. I was voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. And subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We want to get to 20 likes before the bell goes. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real stocks, my real trades, my real money. We're watching Mullen today. We're trying to buy back in. We made $2,000 profit. We're looking at getting back in again. We're up on the pre-market of our overall portfolio. That is all the money in the world I have. There it is for real. It is lifting up again. I don't know if this is it's just impossible to read this. Tantec is up 0.36. We're coming up to 15 minutes to go. Ginkgo is up. Uber is up. Tilray is up. Not massively. Nothing to trade yet. Mullen is pushing up though. Oh. Oh, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Irish Rubber Duck over there on TikTok. Thank you for the loves, by the way. You give me all these loves. Why don't you join us on YouTube and meet all my traders? The link's in the profile on the All Links button or behind the Instagram icon or just youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Why don't you come and join us? What does everyone think? I want to get everyone's opinion. Where do you see Mullen going right now? I've got no idea on it. I've got no idea. We've had a sell-off. Let's get some perspective. Let's draw back, right? Give you an idea. I mean, this is so hard to judge. Could we be preparing for the next lift-off? No one got anything to say? I don't know either. Welcome to all of you. Thanks for the follows. Watching our Mullen right now. We're working out when to re-enter the market. It's going back down again. If we look at it, it's dropped. It was 144% up. So let's take off. Yeah, it's down 60%. It's down 60% now. Just under 60, 55%. 310 million volume. What, right now? Let me have a look. Let me have a look at the volume right now. Mullen. I'll go into it right now and I'll have a look at the exact information for you. That's a good point. Mullen right now. All right. Okay. The volume right now. 500. The average volume is 305. The volume is 550. That was yesterday. The volume right now is 300 million. On the last 10 days, average, you're on about, okay? Because the average volume for the stock is 305. Yesterday, it was 550. So it was a really big day yesterday for Mullen. A lot of sell-offs. What concerns me is what Peru was saying, that about the flock stock. Remember yesterday I was explaining that? The flock stock, only 4 million to the public. So that is super low. And he said he's scared and excited at the same time. If the big whales get in, it could pump to $100. That's his opinion. It's going to be red today. Fed news coming at 10:30. Tank the market. Going to go down. Well, we'll see. We'll see. 299. That's Mohammed Tamir has given his thoughts today. He says that's what he thinks is going to happen. We shall see. It does tend to go that way. It could be a day to take profits and then buy back, but you have to be a brave man to do that when you're only starting to make profits. Leah is here. There we go, Leah. Thank you very much, Leah, from the other room. Hi, everyone, Leah says. Everyone say hello to Leah, my wife. She's in the other room. Let's blow up Leah today. Everyone say hello, Leah. Let's make her feel important. Because she is important. Got to correct myself there. Not make her think she's important. She is important. Now I'm in trouble. I should have kept my gob shut. I've just built a hole. Right, Mullen is now there you go. Hi, Leah, he says. Bill says, right, 298. 14 minutes to go. Let's look at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is down as well. Bitcoin now tends to follow the market, which is why I've sold it, because it's not exceeding the market anymore. It just follows the market, but more volatile. So I kind of prefer being in stocks right now. That's the reason for it. Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Leah. There we go. Mohammed Tamir says, good morning, Leah. Virgin Galactic is now pushing back up again. We're up 0.64 and heading up again. We're watching our stock of Mullen. We've got one share in it right now. Just set down a marker, and I'm actually up 2% since I did that. VU is up 0.27. Tantec is flat. IonQ is down slightly. Ginkgo is up 1.35. I'm up 2% now on Ginkgo. Nice. Uber, I'm up 0.37. Tilray is up today, but I'm down 2.64 at the moment. So at the moment, everything is just kind of like sitting there. Not a great deal of action right now. Most things are positive. Amazon down very slightly. Back to Mullen. 299. What's it going to do? Okay. Hey Moo. I wonder where we're going today. We're holding all our positions here. Not a great deal of information to report right now. Tesla is going down after hit 936. I'm not going to sell my Tesla right now though. I've got a very low average on it. Very, very happy with it. I'm up $1,200. I'm up 15%. I like it a lot. I wouldn't sell this now until it went way over 1,000, to be honest. And then I will trim down and put some in VU. I've already said that. I've already said I'll do that. That's exactly what I'll do. That Mullen video now, the first one, 569. Will it make 1,000? Will it be my first video to make 1,000 views? Oh, very exciting. Very exciting. And the click-through rate is 13%, by the way, which is phenomenal. Now it's going out to a wider audience. If you want to know about that sort of stuff, ask me and I'll tell you how that works. If you're a YouTuber and you're interested in all that stuff, just ask me and I'll tell you all about it. Right. We've got time just to go quickly to one of our sponsors. I'll see you right back in 10 seconds from now. And I'm back. You may have seen an ad. You may have not seen an ad. All right. Tesla 929. Mullen. It's up now. Up 4% now. Since I bought in. I've made 4% on it. $1,000 would have been $40. Could have made $40 easy. But I think it's prudent to wait. It's a difficult one to judge. We'll wait till we get some more information on it. Hi, Leah. There we go. The overall portfolio is holding at 0.74. We've got 9 minutes to go. We've got the Fed news today coming out. That's Mohammed brought that news to us. Thank you, Mohammed, for that. Ethereum. Everything's just trading sideways right now. I feel we've had a huge amount of volume and uplift in the last few days. And now the markets are looking like they don't know where to go. They're all just sitting slightly up, but hardly anything at all. Boeing's just, even Boeing's just right there, look. Everything's around a wash, look. Not a great deal of excitement, not a great deal of volume, not a great deal of action. We're waiting for the next move. Let me see if I've got any breaking news for you from Ukraine. I can bring that to you. Live on the show. I use Sky News and the BBC. That's where I get my news from. Wildfires break out around Chernobyl and burning unchecked. War could end in 2 or 3 weeks. Russian forces largely stalled. Okay. Let's see if we've got any information. I can bring you the news as we get it. Okay. We're looking at Mullen. Mullen is now picking up. Definitely. It's up 4.5% since I bought in. This week is TLRY week. My name is Peru and I approve this message. Peru, what do you reckon about Mullen? What do you reckon? Is it going up again? I just bought in at 293 and it's shot up nearly 5% now. What's your feeling? I know it's not your advice, but what do you feel is happening with Mullen? Is it worth buying in now under 3? So hard to tell. TLR week. This is my position here right now. I haven't set a stop loss on these yet. Are we all millionaires yet from our TANH? No, we're not. I'm up $1 though. Does that count? I'm a $1-dollionaire. I'm a $1-dollionaire. Is that a real thing? Mullen is pumping a little bit. What do we do? It's hard to know, isn't it? It's so difficult. I can't judge this. This is nothing. This is not investing. This is gambling. I don't know what to suggest at all. Better than being down $1. Yeah, to me it's a good buy. Mullen under 3. If you took your good profit, I did. I took profit. I made $2,000. To me is a good buy. Mullen under 3. If you took good profit, yes, I did. Is it worth just buying a bit more? Now we are under 3. I mean, I just don't know. I mean, technically, I would wait for the open, let it find a direction. Yeah. I made a lot of profit from Mullen. I don't care if Mullen go back to 50 cents. No, I get it if you're out of it, but don't you want to get back in again, though? Like you said, there's this potential chance of it going to $100. All right? So you want to be in that if that happens, right? I mean, we were as low. We've lost 4% if I get in now, from where we were this morning. 5 minutes to go. I really don't know. I really don't know on this one. What's everybody else doing? You're going to wait for the... Yes, I still have Mull. I don't care if it's dead. It's a dead growing money. Yeah, I don't care. It's a dead growing money. I get it. I totally get it. You've made your profit. I get that. Hang on, Martin. Good things yet to come. It's dropping down. It's impossible to judge this. I don't think it's possible to judge it. Mull isn't giving a direction right now. Sorry, Peru isn't giving any direction right now. He still has some Mull, but he doesn't care. He took profits off the top. And he's seeing where it goes from now. Right, we've got 3 minutes to go. The overall portfolio is up 0.85. This is looking good. 44,000. Now, how far away are we from turning all-time green? There we go. 1.87, $800. We were as low as $400 yesterday, so we're not quite as high as we were yesterday, but the way we're going, we're heading towards there. I'm waiting to see if it flushes, then it takes a huge dip off the open. I'll try to buy that and hope it gets back to the open price. You can't judge where it's going, I guess. No, I don't think you can. I think it's very difficult. Remember, there's no sales. There's no reason for this to do anything. It's all hype, all excitement. It's purely speculative. It's purely gambling. Well, like I said before, I don't gamble. So the only way to play it is try to catch a dip, then set a stop loss and just keep increasing the stop loss as you go. My play for the week is TLRY, and new stock for all is ALLK. It used to be $70, now $6. ALK is a pharmaceutical play. It makes people rich quick. I don't like pharmaceuticals, I have to say. That's not really for me. It doesn't excite me. I worry a lot about that. And Mike says he's sitting at 3. All right, 2 minutes to go. It's falling down. Let's see what happens. Let's see where it goes now. I'm still up 3% on where I bought it in this morning. I just bought one share. Let's see what happens this morning. VU is up 0.3. The markets are moving up. The one that we're watching right now is TLRY, Tilray. This is the one this week. It's down right now. 3%. I've got 200 shares in it. I've got a decent amount in it. What's your price target for Tilray? Peru, 1 minute to go. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. We're off to the races. Mullen is going back down again. 299, 298. Let's see where she blows. Right, we're up 0.5% overall. VU is up. Tantec is up. IonQ is up. Ginkgo is up. Lots of bids in on Mullen. Lots of bids in on Mullen. 299. Here we go. Get ready for the bell now. Here we go. It's going to be an explosive day. I'm excited about it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. Okay, we're off to the races. Here we go. Here we go. Right, Mullen is still holding down. Let's have a look. Let's refresh the screens. The overall portfolio is moving slightly down. There we go. Mull is just at 301. Hasn't done anything yet. Let's refresh the screen. VU is up. It's up 0.37. Tantec is up very slightly. Let's go back again to VU. Sorry, Mullen. Hang on a minute. We've lost Mullen. There we go. Mullen is now dropping down 8%. 8.28. 8.28. Okay. We're watching it. Okay. Now then, let's get straight in. 20.55. Okay, folks, you're joining us live here on The Day Trader. As you can see now, Mullen Automotive is down 7.32. We're live into the trades right now. We've just set ourselves a one stock marker. We've got back into stock. One stock we made with one share, that is. We sold it all out yesterday and made $2,000 profit. We are hoping to get back in. Under $3 seems a good buy, but we're watching it right now. Where's it going to go right now? It's trending down, $2.99 as we watch it right now, $2.98, $2.97. We're looking to invest $1,000. We made $2,000 profit. We'll use $1,000 of free money, if you like, to buy this back. We're waiting for the right moment. This stock could go all the way down to cents again, so we want to be very careful, but we'd like to get back in and ride it. Join us live on The Day Trader every day, opening and closing bell, when we are here live on the show. We're live on the show now. We're making this recording during our show, and we'll trade it live. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, guys. I did another one. All right, there we go. So Mullen Automotive is moving down, 293. Where do we go? Let's have a look now at the level 2. Level 2, yes. A lot of bids coming in. You're at 100 at 291, 110,000. But that didn't pay off. Yeah, if I look at level 2, I'll show you right now. Mullen is, we got a huge amount. That could, hang on, buy. Buy shares 100. Right, I just bought back in 100 shares. I don't know where they went through. 293. I don't know if that went through or not. I'll show you why. Yes, 302. I'll show you why I just bought back in. Look at the level 2. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're doing quick trades. We're just making quick profits from Mullen right now. This is live. As you can see, it's pumping up. The buys and the asks are all over the place. The level 2 data is all over the place. So what I'm going to do is flip this really, really quickly. I just bought 100 shares of it. Let me show you what's happening with the market data. It's all over the place, moving very, very quickly. So we'll come back to the live trades now, and it's now pumping up, and sell 100, review the order, wait for that. The idea is today is make $200 a day from day trading on top of our main investments. And Mullen is firing off right now. And we're watching it live. And I'm ready to sell again. Sell. Okay. I just sold that there. So we just made a very, very quick trade. Not a great deal. I sold 100 shares. And then we'll look to buy back in again. So I bought 100 shares at 302. So I basically made $10 profit. You can see here on those shares, I made $10 profit, just about. Very, very quick trade, in and out. We'll look for another little dip. We've still kept our one market share. This is what we're looking at now. We're looking at the level 2 market data. It's being incredibly manipulated by the market makers. Numbers are changing very, very quickly. You think 1 minute it's going up, and in fact it's going down. You see it going one way, then it goes the other way. So be very, very careful with this stock right now. That's why I just bought in and sold out immediately. I'll look to do that again if I can keep nibbling away. We've made our big profit, $2,000 a couple of days ago. So what we're looking to do now is just keep making quick trades. Maybe $10, $20 at a time. There we go. We're at 1.62. Mullen, we're waiting for it to go back down again. It's 8:36 in the morning. Which way is it going to go? Let's look at the level 2 data for it. You can see the numbers have gone where they were this morning. They were really like 100. There was a bid for 110,000 shares at one point. I wonder if that was Peru. Up and away, 310. Mike has got in at $3. He's holding it. He wants to make money from that. I'm waiting for it to go back down again before I buy back in. I just made $10 from it. So I'm now $2,010 profit. Okay. 11 million volt in the first 1 minute candle. Yeah, I saw that. And if we go to it now, the average, let me bring you the information you want. 32 million now. Average volume is 305. We're at 32 million. 10% of the day done already in the first few minutes. That's pretty much typical, though, the last few days. So nothing exceptional today. It's about normal. It's about normal. I'm looking to buy 100 shares again. Maybe I'll buy more this time if it goes back down lower again and do that exactly the same thing again. Let's have a look. Vanguard S&P is up 0.63. My overall portfolio now is up 2% today. Doing very good. Right, $200 to go to turn green. Yes, this is wonderful, wonderful stuff. Mullen, we're just waiting for it to go back down again to do it again. Here it goes. Here goes Mullen again. Let's see if we can buy it back in again. 306. We're ready to buy another 100 shares. 305. Under 3, we'll do it again. Watching very closely, keeping our eye on the level 2 information as well. Here it is. I don't use this a lot. It can be very deceptive. But we are keeping our eye on Mullen with its market 2 level data. Let's go back to the trade. I'm looking to buy another $100. Our target every day on the day trader is to make $200 a day. Our target is to make $200 a day, but very often we exceed that 5, 6, even 2,000 a couple of days ago. So, sorry, yesterday, I beg your pardon. So right now we're going back to it. Here's the level 2 data. 307, Mullen. When it drops down to under 3, I'll buy 100 again, and we'll trade it very quickly. Vanguard S&P is up 0.63. Our overall portfolio is up 2% right now. Looking pretty good. I keep taking my profits and putting them in VU. That's how I guarantee my financial security. That's what it's all about. Mullen is falling back down again. Let's have a quick look through the trades that we're in. Tantec is down today. Points starting to come back up again now. What about IonQ, our quantum computers? Up today, 2.32. Ginkgo Works is up 2% today. We're in that one now. Uber is also up 1% today. Tilray Brands is up 2.4% today. And this is our merger. Rumored to merge with SpaceX. Let's get back to Mullen again. Mullen is now at 306. We're looking to buy it back in again. Will it go down to under 3? The market data now suggests it will... Oh, hang on. Let's go back. Let's go back again. Let's buy it now. Buy 100. Here we go. 100. Review the order. Let's get that in and buy... Okay, we got back in again at 301, 298. All right, 298. It's going down again. I'll buy another 100 once it goes down to 260, if it does. It's just a quick trade. We've now got 100 shares of it again. There we go. It's going down 297. 292. Okay, it's falling. Once it goes below 260, I'll buy it again. This is how we're day trading this morning on Mullen. Let's keep our eye on the overall stocks. There we go, back to the level 2 market data again. You can see it going, suggesting that the price is about to go up again, but you have to take it with a pinch of salt, of course. 292. So I could buy another 100 at this point. So I'll drop in another 100 shares at this point. Review the order, 292. And we'll buy that. There we go. That's gone through. Takes a couple of moments for it to reflect on the screen with Robinhood. Give it a couple of seconds and you'll see it update to 201 shares. $294, $295. Our target every day is $200 a day, but we far exceed that. So right now it's $293. We're looking to do it again. If it goes down to 280, 270, we'll buy another 100. Or if it pops up, we'll sell it. Someone's sitting at 280 with a big order. We've got some breaking news coming in from our traders. Let's go and look at the level 2. Here it is. Let's scroll up. You get some more information. There you go. 280. Let's scroll down. Yeah, 166,000. There you go on the screen. 164,000 at 280. So it's going down, but it could pop back up at any moment. Let's get back over to the trades. 292. My average is 297. As it gets a bit lower, I'll buy some more. So let's drop in another 100 shares right now. Drop in another 100 shares. Are you ready? Okay, the average now 297. It's not low enough yet. Get ready to review the order. Review order to buy another 100 shares. It's down 6%. We won't touch it yet. There's some big orders coming in. Level 2 is suggesting that some big orders are coming in. Let's go over to the level 2 and look at it. You can see it right now. If we scroll down, there are some big orders coming in. 280, 164,000. It's still sitting there. Yep. But remember, take it with a pinch of salt. It's not always accurate. We are waiting to buy back in. Our average is now 297. We won't buy it yet. If it pops up to 310, 320, something like that, I will sell it. This is live trades now, live on the Day Trader. This video was recorded while we were doing a live show. This is live right now. So welcome. We are live every day for the opening and closing bell. Join us for live trades every day. This is Mullen Automotive. We've made $2,010 profit from it already, and we're waiting to make some more profits from this. We're buying the dips as it goes down 10% each time, something like that. And then we'll sell it at a 10% profit as soon as it pops up. So we're going to make money either way. And we're actually investing now. I wouldn't call this investing. This is speculative gambling, if you're honest. But I'm actually now using the $2,010 profit I've got to make more money. And I won't be using all of that. I'll probably only use 50% of that at most. So I'll always walk away with a profit on Mullen, because this is purely hype right now. The stock, the company might be great in the future, but right now it's just hype and excitement. But it's great fun. Why not? If you're watching me right now, and subscribe and ring the bell, give us a thumbs up as well, and share this video. Let's get some more likes on the video. There we go. We're about to buy Mullen a bit more. 293, 292. Right, we've got 42,000 bids at 289. 32,000 views at 290. Starting to rack up now. Waiting for that 280. As it gets close to the 280, let's go over now to the level 2 and you'll see what I'm talking about. 25,000. Right, okay, that's gone through. 25,000 at 290. And then we go all the way down to 280. And 166. I put an order in at 280. Anitha Smith, welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Lovely to have you here. 290, 289. Now what you want to do is buy in just before it gets there. Just before it gets there, because, right, here we go. Buy, 284. Buy. I just bought another 100. Done. Okay, I've now got 301. So we're loading back up again now. Because if this pops up at 280, I will sell it at 10% profit. No problem at all. I'll be out of it. I'm down 2% right now, but we're down 11% today. So I'm absolutely fine with that. Low my averages all the way down and using the money I've already made to buy it. So, 285. Here we go again. Let's update the level 2 data. Let's have a look at it. It's starting to come in again now at 35,000 at 282. We have 165 at 280. They're lining up. No real sales. No real asks. All bids. So here we go. Good time to get in right now. 286. 284. It could go up again right now. I would think that this could go up now. Once it hits 280, it will certainly it would suggest it will go up. There's no one really lining up to sell it, just to buy it. So my average is 293. I'm down 2.2%. But I would be looking to get... I'll set a limit order. I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to buy a limit order. And I will go at 281. I will go at 281. I'll buy 100 shares at 281. Right, there we go. 281. There we go. I've set up to buy 100 shares at 281. Okay. Let's have a look at it. 281. I'll buy 100 shares. Limit order. It's set in there now. 286. Let's go over to the level 2 data and see where it's going. There we go. We still have those orders. If you look, the not so much on the selling side. The asks, not so much. But definitely on the bids. 280, 144,000. So it's dropped a little bit. They've obviously bought some or reduced it. Remember, the market makers can manipulate this, so you got to take this with a grain of salt. But it certainly suggests it's going to pop up. It's 289 now. I'm just 1.5% down, bearing in mind it's down 10%. So I'm very happy with that. That puts me in a good position. Let's go back to the live trading position. 292. It's firing off now. I'm just about to make a profit. Okay, here we go. Yep, it's going back up again. And as soon as it makes me 10%, I'll sell it all again. Let's go back to the rest of my portfolio and see what's going on very quickly. There we go. The overall portfolio is up 1% today. Mullen is starting to pump up. I will sell it at 10% profit. Vanguard S&P is up today, 0.56. Tantec is dropping back. Ion is up. Back to Mullen again. It is now 294. Okay, let's get ready. Our target is $200 a day, but we average between 500-600. We made 2,000 yesterday. So all we want to do is make some money. We don't want to be connected to this stock. All right, let's get ready to sell Mullen. So I will sell, what have I got now? 300 shares. I will sell 301. So we've got 300 shares. As soon as that makes me nearing 10%. 10%. So let's watch it. It might go down before we can actually sell it. But let's keep an eye on it very closely. If you've just tuned in, welcome to our Mullen special. We are trading live here right now. Subscribe and ring the bell. And let us know you are here in the chat as well. Let us know you're in the chat. And give us a thumbs up for the video. If you're watching right now live with us, let us know you're here in the live chat. And we'll put your messages on the screen. Anitha Smith, you are creating a video which will go out later on right now. Anitha Smith, here you are. This is your comment. You've put an order in for 280. I would put it at 281 just because there's that big order at 280. I'll scroll back down. That order is still there, 134,000. It's dropped back a bit. Mike is here. One of our traders is here in the show. Welcome, Mike. Who else is here? Waiting for that 280. That's Fusion 301. What did DCU say? Mullen makes me think of mullet air. Yes, it does a little bit, doesn't it? I keep saying mullion for some reason, but I'm right with you. Mullen is now $2.96. I've made money now. I've made $10. All right, we could sell this again. We're getting ready now. We're up 1.5%. I'm not a greedy guy. I'm happy to make money, any level of profits. It doesn't matter. I like playing these stocks. It's very, very exciting. I'm up 2.5%. I've made $20, $26. It's going up now. 3%. Get ready to sell, Mullen. Here we go. We'll do it all over again. They call it rinse and repeat. As long as you're making money, you're making money. Right. Let's get ready to sell it. 302. What I might do now is, looking at the volume and the momentum, is set myself a stop trading loss. It's a little early for that yet, though. I want to get it up for 10, 15% and then rise with it. So I might, in fact, that's what I think I might do. Yep, I think I'm going to set a stop trading loss. Yes, that's what I would. That's how I'm going to play this right now. So we're going to put a stop trading stop order in place. So a guarantee make profit. It is rising. It is pumping. A lot of momentum in it right now. Okay, so there we go. Right now, people are looking to sell it. 313, 30,000. So there we go. This is a quick flip. Now I've got the option now of just selling this or trailing it up. And I'm going for the trailing up option. So percentage. I can lose I can lose 5%. I'll sell 300 shares. Good for the day. Yeah, a trail of 5%. A trail of 5%. Let's watch it a little bit longer. I'm up 7%, so I'll guarantee to make money if I set it now. As you can see on the screen, I've got 5% trading loss at 300 shares, which will keep me one share. I'm up nearly 8% now, so I'll guarantee to make 3%. I can't lose money if I set it now. But we've got a lot of... We haven't got that many sellers, actually. Looking at the... if we go over now to the level 2 data, you can see the numbers of sellers really aren't that great. We've got... let's have a look. We've still got those asks in. 280. Sorry, the bids... I beg your pardon. It's not showing down that far now. More selling coming in. Let's go back to it. Could be prudent to sell it all at this position. Take 7%. I've made 7% profit. It's very, very nice. If I set a 5%, I'll guarantee to make... yeah, I'm going to put that in. A 5% drop from here. Review the order. I'm going to put a 5% in there now. So I'm up 7%. So I'm always going to make 2%. But it might just trail up. Sell 5%. There we go. Done. Okay. It's now trailing. It's a now trading stop order. So let's have a look at that right now. It will sell at 298. It will sell at 298. And I'll make profit on it. Okay. Bought in at 293, and I will sell them all at 298. So I've already made my $2,000. I've already made $10 on the earlier trade, and now I will make money on this trade. Guaranteed I'll make 2%, but it could trail up, and it keeps me in the game. All right, that's how we're making money today on Mullen. So join us back later on, folks, for more live day trading. This is day trading on Mullen, how to make money from a stock which is all over the place. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, guys, that's another video made. All right, brilliant. That will go out later, how I made that money on that, and we'll check back. Volatility space is amazing. Let's go into space right now. Let me just mark that clock. What was the time? 1:22:55 to 1:22. Okay, we'll leave Mullen for now. We'll let Mullen do its thing. I'm not going to buy any more. Right, we're doing very, very well now. We're up 45.6. 45.6. We are just now $120 away from turning green all time. Great. Mullen is holding there. It's great. So I'm in it. I'm stop trading, lossing it. Good. Love it. Vanguard S&P is up 0.65. Tantec. DNA, one of our stocks, is up 4.5%. All right. Look at this. This is great. Okay. Let's... Ginkgo. Okay, let's grab this one. Ginkgo Bioworks, one of our latest investments, one of our traders, Peru Invest, gave us a great tip on this one. Look at this one now. It's up 4.71. We only got in yesterday, and I'm now up 5.84%. I have 200 shares of this one, average cost of $2.94. Ginkgo Bioworks is a biotech company. Its platform is marketing agnostic and enables biotechnology applications across diverse markets. It's one of my latest investments, Ginkgo Bioworks. We are up looking for a reasonable short-term trade, but one of our top tips right now is Ginkgo Bioworks. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is my real trades and my real money. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there's another one. Ginkgo Bioworks is doing well. Let's have a look at Ion IQ. This is another one we've just got in. And Ion. IonQ. IonQ, very, very exciting. One of our newest investments. We only got in on this yesterday, and we're up 5.81%. IonQ, quantum computers, already has a deal with Amazon and Dell. Very, very exciting. This one can run and run and run, especially with the explosion of crypto right now. Crypto is so important for its processing power to speed up how quickly you can produce the Bitcoin. So IonQ, quantum computers, very, very exciting. Very excited about this stock. I've got 100 shares of it, and we're up 5.78. We're up 3.21%. IonQ, the ticker is IONQ. Check it out. One of our latest stocks. This is not financial advice. This is just my real money and what I'm investing in. Good luck. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Volatility in space. Let's get back to space right now. Virgin Galactic is up 3.43. Wow. Okay, everybody. This is great news for Virgin Galactic. We've got to bring this in today. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. Mullen is holding. I'm glad I'm stopped trading loss. That is a good way to go with that right now. Yep, it's holding, moving up again. Mike will be pleased. Mike's in. If you've just tuned in, by the way, give us a thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. Over on TikTok, how are you all doing today? Let's look at SPCE. This is great news. Right, Virgin Galactic. We want to bring this in. Virgin Galactic. This is awesome for Virgin Galactic. We want to share this. Mullen, SPCE. SPCE. Let's drag that over there. SPCE is looking fantastic. Virgin Galactic, SPCE, my favorite stock of my entire portfolio. Look at this. We've made lots of money with it on the way up, on the way down. We were in this stock at $35. We kept buying the dips, selling the pops, and we lowered our averages. And when we lowered our averages, we actually bought back in again, made some money, and now look at it. We're up at 27%. It's up 3.16 today. Let's check the trades and let's have a look at the level 2 data for it. You can see Virgin Galactic today is up 3.2%. Look at the order book. You can see we've got some good numbers coming in here now. This is the level 2 data. Let's have a look at the volume today. Let's scroll up on Robinhood. Take a look at the volume. The volume today is 1.65. And our average volume is 14.91. So not a huge amount of volume today, but It's up 3.26. This is fantastic for the stock. Now, this is a premature, if in my opinion, a premature uplift. The stock won't really take off until later this year. Later this year, of course, it's going to get really exciting. Come the summertime, we'll get the news about the September flight. September, October, this stock could then reach $100 a share. This is really, really exciting. Virgin Galactic, I'm in this one. I'm now up $2,107. I've got 1,001 shares, as you can see. It plays a big part of my portfolio, 11.57. I'm not selling this now. I'm not selling this now until we get the latest and greatest breaking news, which will take it to $30. I might then sell it then, and then buy it on the dip, and then get ready for the takeoff. Remember, don't marry the stock. Even though you love the stock, remember, Richard Branson sold his own shares in this stock. There's a time to enter the market and time to leave. Right now, Virgin Galactic is up 3.37. A lot of profits in it. There's nothing wrong now if I've sold all this, but I'm not going in. I'm going to hold it. Very, very exciting. Join us live every day on the Day Trader, where we trade live. We're actually recording this during a live show. This is live trading right now. All our stocks are flying up. Very, very exciting. I'm so excited about this. Join us live every day. Take care of yourselves and each other. Virgin Galactic, folks. Awesome. Look at that. 131. 31 SPCE. Right, it's falling back now. You wouldn't be forgiven for taking some profits at this point, by the way. DNA, LOL, yes, Peru. Wish I bought more DNA than I did. Let's have a look. You wouldn't be wrong for taking profits here at all with Virgin Galactic. Nothing wrong with doing that at all. I could do that. Right, let's have a look. 3% now, up. Mullen. Okay, is it sold? Oh, it's sold, I think. Yes, it's sold. It's sold. Okay, so it did sell. Okay, let's refresh that. I made some money from it. Mullen, 301. So it did sell. So how much? Now it's falling back down again. So let's see what I made from that one. Okay. I sold it all at 303. Yeah, I had an average of 294, 284. Yeah, okay. Not sure the exact profit from that, but I'd work it out later on. But yeah, I sold it all at 303. It got as high as 318. But that's okay. I was riding it out. So we made some profit, and we'll do it again. So we're looking to buy back in. Let's have a look. We've got DNA to look at as well. DNA is up now. I've got 200 shares of DNA. Ginkgo Bioworks. I'm up 10%. Let's look at the overall portfolio and see how that's all affected by all of this. We should be green now. We're getting close to, no, $50 away. We were green. We were green a few moments ago. Mullen is certainly at the end of its run right now. It looks to me like Mullen is at the end of its run. It's sold off, and now what you got now is scalp trading. All that's left now is scalp trading. Okay. That's what's going on now. Just very quick trades like what I'm doing. Scalp trading, that is. Okay. You join us back for another update for Mullen. What's going on right now? You can see this is scalp trading. I've just set my stop trading loss a few moments ago in the earlier video, and I sold it all. I made a profit. I'm not sure exactly how much this profit was, but I had the stop trading loss. It started to fall back and it sold it, and I'm glad it did. What you've got now, look, the markets have opened today down, and we're just going up and down around the same point. That shows me that we're doing scalp trading. This is lost its momentum. It's not necessarily going to shoot up all the way today to 4, 5, 10, ultimately $100. What it's doing now is just going up and down, and people are in and out very, very quickly, doing very, very quick scalp trades. So that's how I'm playing it today. Each time I do it, I might make 50, 60 bucks, but do that all day long, and that adds up to a decent return, which adds to the 2,000 I've already made. We're watching it live right now. Join us back later on the Day Trader. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. DNA on a run. Back to DNA right now. DNA is up 1044, 1061. DNA Ginkgo Bioworks is certainly doing well today. This is looking great. So one of our newest trades, thanks to Peru. We'll do our day trader of the day in a second. Look at this. Over there on TikTok, how you all doing? You missed out on LLL. Look at LLL. Got a tip here from someone. How about CEI? CEI. That's Canberra, isn't it? If I remember correctly. Ramesh. Let's welcome Ramesh into the party, everybody. Welcome, Ramesh. Everyone welcome him in. Put your cities and countries and welcome a new guest. Ramesh, just let me introduce myself to you. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio. How are you doing? I was voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man, and every evening, and I do a lot of fundraiser events and music concerts, and by the daytime I like to trade with my real money, and this is our real team of traders here, and everything you see here is real and genuine. I'm from the UK in Cornwall, in the United Kingdom, but my studio is here, Dallas, Texas, and I ask all my members and my guests here today to put in your cities and countries, and please welcome Ramesh to the party. And we'd love to have you here. Please subscribe, ring the bell. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. I've grown my portfolio from $5,000 all the way up to 58. We're now back at 46. The Fed, the COVID, the war, all the rest of it. But we're very, very happy with this. This is what we've done live on air in front of everyone. We're coming up to a year old in June. And would love to have you part of our team. You can see many of the guests, the traders in the live chat. They've got badges after their names. That's because they're members. And as a guest of the channel, I'd like to give you the All Links button. Here is the All Links button, which you can claim all your free stocks that we give to everybody, regardless if they're members or subscribers or whatever. Here is our links. One link to all the free stuff. There you go. A lot of sponsors give me stuff and I share it with you. So if you're interested, go and claim any of those free crypto free stocks. You can also get our Discord group and our Twitter, Instagram, and all that great stuff. If you're interested and you like what you see here, you can become a member. Most of our viewers are members, and they'll tell you they get 10 times back what they invest to become a member. Just from a couple of dollars for bronze all the way up silver, gold to sponsorship level, you could be a member. There are many, many perks. As the World Piano Man, I also one of the perks you get as a bronze member, I will sing you happy birthday on your birthday live from my TV studio here, and you can keep the video. And silver members, I even promote them on our YouTube channel and make them videos to promote their videos. There's many, many perks to becoming a member, and I give you the invitation in the chat. All right, would all our members please put down where you're from, cities and countries, please. We've got a new member here today, Ramesh, and we'd love to welcome him in. What about CEI? Now, CEI, of course, is Canberra, if I'm correct. I might be wrong. No, it is. Canberra Energy. What about it? Let's have a quick look at it for you. It's down today. I made some money on Canva. I'm out of it. I'm not an oil fan. I'm not really into oil. Don't like it. I don't see it as a future. I do see it as there was a play, a couple of weeks ago. Everybody was excited about it when the war broke out and so on. But I believe that will stabilize. It's not really of great interest to me. But I understand why you'd be in it. It makes money. Just like Mullen right now, okay? Mullen's the same thing. Crazy stock. But there you go. Watford, England, there you go. Everyone's welcoming you in. Bobby San, hi. We got another guest just joined us. Bobby San, we just told you all about the channel and what we do here. Just rewind the video back a minute and you'll get the full update of what I just said to Ramesh. Anith, hello, Zach. Hello, Anitha. Lovely to have you here. Anitha Smith. I sold all my XOM today, 300 up. Ali Isles, congratulations to you. I bought 320, sold at 330. Nice one. Very, very nice indeed. All right. DNA. Let's have a look at DNA. DNA now is up 10%. Doing very, very well indeed. Like it. This is... Ion Q as well. Tantec hasn't made any money just yet. Tilray doing very, very well, up to date. Virgin Galactic is just falling back now. It's one of my big stocks. I could have sold it there, but I'm not doing that. I'm holding this for the future right now. The overall portfolio is up 2.92. Right, go onto your day position and share with everybody your score. And let's see who won today. Up 2.92%. Up 2.92%. All right, you ready? I'm going to bring in the 1 minute timer. And let's see who wins today. And I have just realized that my screen has just gone off. There we go. Trades. No idea why that was up there, and no one even told me. I can't believe it. No one even told me. There we go. How did I end up moving that up there? Let's go to Mullen. There we go. That's better. Right. Greatest place to be. 2.92. All right. Okay. Let's go to the 1 minute timer. Let's see who wins our day trader of the day. Are you ready? Here we go. 1 minute from now. I'm up 2.92. Let's see if anyone beats me on that. Up 0.92. Up 0.92. Mullen is rising again. I haven't bought back in yet. Ali's up 0.92. I'm still holding the lead at 2.92. 30 seconds to go. Mullen is rising again, but I'm currently out of it. Well, I've got one stop. Just as a marker. Ten seconds to go. Only got one person who's entered their score so far. I would imagine everyone's behind me. They're running behind. Virgin Galactic is going up again. Right. Just me. I think everyone's behind. Please refresh your screens. Refresh, refresh, refresh. I think that's what's happening right now. I think everyone's behind me. Let me run a quick ad. That'll refresh everybody. That'll refresh you, whether you like it or not. Right. let me just do that then. See if I can refresh everybody. Okay. And we're back. There we go. We'll just run a quick ad. See if that refreshes everybody, because it looks like everyone's behind me. I am up 2.29, so I could be the winner. But only Ali's posted his score. So let's have a look. Good afternoon, beautiful people. There we go. Nicky boy's here. Right, we're up 3.69. We should be green now all time. We are. We are green all time. Now we all want to do, and we're up over the year. We just want to get back now the last 3 months. 3% to go, and we'll be green all the way across the board. All the way across the board if we can just make another $1,500. All right. Fantastic. Nicky Boy Gaming, welcome, welcome. Bill is up 1.47, but you were too late. Everybody's behind, so I'm going to give the winner to Ali Isles. He's up 1%. Congratulations, Ali. Give him a big thumbs up and also a big round of applause. There you go. Nice one. Very, very well done indeed. Great stuff. Bill, where was you? How come you're behind? We've got to refresh the screen, get yourself up to date. That's a great score though, Bill. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. All right. Looking good. Looking good. Yay, well done. Right. We're up now nearly 4% on today. 40% on the week. 23% on the month. We're just down now. $1,300 on the 3 months. We're up on the year 1%. Absolutely incredible. This is so cool to see. So cool. Love it. Mullen is just going sideways now. So I've made my money. I posted you seen it minutes later. Ah, that means Bill must have won that. I don't know, Bill. I don't know. You must be behind me. I don't know what's going on. Vanguard is up today. S&P is up 6.81. Let's check our overall buying power. Where are we right now? Okay. DNA, let's go. Nice little curl forming. DNA. Ginkgo Bioworks. We're up 10% on this one right now. No matter. So, what we'll do soon is we will start putting a stop trading loss in here. Let's have a look at it. All right, we can start doing that now. Okay. So, yep, I'm going to do that now. I am going to do that. So, gonna set to sell. Sell Ginkgo. What we're going to do, we're going to put a trailing stop order in, and we're going to put a percentage of 10%. So I will guaranteed make money because I'm up 10.25%. So I'll make 0.25%, but that will give me a nice big swing, and hopefully that will never happen. Shares, 199. Good for the day. Good till good till cancelled. Okay. So I've got a 10% swing. Right, I'm up nearly 11. I'm guaranteed to make money now because I'm up nearly 11% now. And we'll keep that in there. Review the order. 199. Review the order. There we go. Sell. DNA order placed. Okay. Now, as that starts to grow, I can adjust that. But I'm guaranteed now to make money. Okay. There's Ginkgo. We've set that in place now. Ion. Now, Ion isn't there yet. I want to get it up higher to allow a decent swing. I could. I'm up 6%. I'm going to wait for it to get higher before, because that's I think got a great future. Tantec. This one, I'm up 0.5%. I've made $2, which is not much. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do... it's up today, 0.5. Down today, so a 1% swing. Let's go back over it. Up 7%. Yeah, it's been going sideways now for... Right, let's have a look at it. Minus 80, minus 80, minus 80, 80. So it's pretty much been going sideways now for a month. Okay, so the lowest we were down here was minus 1, and the highest we've been at is plus 6. That's a 7% swing. %, up 11. Yeah, 11%. 11%. Okay. With Tantec, we haven't really got any profit to work with it yet, have we? We're only up the smallest amount. 11% is the swing. 10% on $50. Yeah, 53. It's about... I'm prepared to lose $60. I'm prepared to lose $60 if I set 11% swing. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. There's nothing to talk about. Vanguard, that's fine. We're never selling that. Mullen, we're waiting to buy back in again. Tantec, we haven't made any money yet, so we can't do anything yet. What about Uber? Uber's up 3%. Starting to go, but got a long way to go before I do anything with that. Tilray, 1%. Same thing. Hasn't made any money yet. Same with that one. Right, okay. That's good. That's where we'll leave it for now. Right. Let's go back over to the video. Who's with us right now? If you've just tuned in today, welcome, welcome, welcome. Consider subscribing to our channel and give us a like. We try to get 20, 30 likes each day, if we can. $574 video views now Mullen's had. Fantastic. Nearly 600. We are hoping to get our very first 1,000 viewed video. That would be very, very exciting, wouldn't it? All right. I think we're going to end the show right now. That was happening to me the other day when we did the music for Ukraine. They gave me a £10 tip, but didn't hear my song. Think chat was playing up. Ah. I thought I did your song, Nicky Boy Gaming Channel. I'm terribly sorry. If I didn't do your song, come into today's event and I will do it for you. Definitely. Sorry if I didn't do your request. Right. You're on the Day Trader right now. Scroll down, Martyn Lucas. This is the Ukraine event. We are back in an hour and a half. On my main channel, the Martyn Lucas Music channel. Here is the video in 91 minutes exactly. Here is the video. If you'd like to join us live for our special daily Ukraine event, there it is. Hopefully you can join us. Go and like the video and leave a comment. We'll be live there in just an hour and a half from now. All right. Thank you very much indeed. All right, we're going to end the show right now. We'll be back with you for the Ukraine event this afternoon. Plus, we'll be back for the closing bell this evening. All right, the portfolio is up 46, 3.5% today. Done very, very well indeed. And Mullen, we're waiting to get back in again. I think 289. Can't really, what should I do? Should I put a limit order on? because there's no momentum right now, it's just up and down and it's getting smaller. It could suddenly drop this one. So I don't really want to buy it at 280 and suddenly go to $1. I don't know where this is really going right now. We've made plenty of money out of it. I think we'll leave it for now and see where it goes. I'm not even going to set a limit order. I don't think that's very prudent right now. Now, Tesla, we said we would sell Tesla and put it into... we would sell 2 shares of Tesla when it got to 1,000. It's getting very close now to put into VU. And that's exactly what I intend to do. But we're not there yet. Mullen is a buy. Bobby San just came in and said Mullen is a buy. I don't know if Mullen is a buy right now. $2.99. I've bought and sold it half a dozen times today already. $2.99. $2.99, $2.98. Don't know. Not right now. I don't think so. Bobby San saying Mullen is a buy. Not for now, I don't think. All right, I am going to get off. I don't know if I can even set a limit on it. So what I'm going to do is just keep it open on my phone and see where it goes. Seems a little bit risky right now. It does. You can see it. It's done its money. It's made its profit. I've made probably $2,100 from it at least now. Jumping into this now, I think when it's just going up, it's just sat there. DLN is making a move. Let's have a look. DLN, Ginkgo Bioworks. I've got a stop trading loss on this now. And my stop trading loss is 10%, which is, it'll sell at the moment at 290. Which is just under what I paid for it, actually. It's not a perfect calculation. But as soon as that pops up, that'll fix that. And that way it'll keep me in the game. DNA. Oh, DLN. Am I on the wrong stock? DLN. Sorry. Did you mean DLN or DNA? Wisdom Dividend Fund. This isn't one of your stocks. No, DNA. Yeah. I thought so. Yeah. Making some moves. What's your price target on Ginkgo? Peru, I beg your pardon. What's your price target on this one? It will sell at 292. That'll refresh in a minute. 292. Won't take much. Yeah, still 292 until it starts to move. Can't see anything happening right now. I just throw 500 in POSH just to play ER game after 4 p.m. I'm fully invested right now, so that's not for me. Thank you, Peru. But POSH tip from Peru Invest just came in there. Folks, $500 in POSH just to play ER game after 4 p.m. That's Eastern time, I think he's talking about, 3 p.m. Central time. Okay. I'm going to end the show right there. Mullen is 298. It does look risky now. It doesn't look like it's doing very much. We've made some good money from it. It wouldn't be a bad buy to have 100 shares, perhaps, of this one, if you want to just keep in the game a little bit. Oh, it's diving. 295. 94. $300. I'm looking at buying $100 at this price. Sorry, 100 shares. But knowing it could go. There you go. Just bought 100 at 2.89. Just keeps me in the game. Just a little bit. Okay. Let's go back to Uber right now, and Tilray as well. TANH. Let's have a look. Yep, it's moving now. And Ginkgo. DNA. Nothing at the moment. Ginkgo is holding at the moment. Nothing going on there just now. Ion. Tantec. I wonder how far this one can go. 1 month. Yeah, it's done nothing, has it? For a month. Just looking at it now. THF with. I don't know what, Bobby San, I don't know what you're saying to me. I'd love to answer your question, but I don't know what your question is. THF and then the word with. I'm sorry, I don't know what you mean. I'd love to be able to answer you, but I'm sorry, I don't know what you're telling me. I don't know what THF is. Is that a stock? THF. First Unite Indiana. Is that what you're talking about? I don't know. I'm sorry I can't help you. I don't know what you're saying to me. Mull is now 295. It's going back up again. 1%, Vanguard, Tantec, 1%, DNA, okay, I'm going to call it a day at that. I'm going to call it a day. I've got to get ready for the Ukraine event. We're going to keep our eye on these stocks for you throughout the morning. Thank you very much for being here. Thanks for subscribing, ringing the bell. I'm sorry I didn't get back to Bobby-san. I didn't know what your question was. I'd like to answer everyone, but sorry I didn't understand what with meant. I hope to catch you later for the closing bell. But for now, I think we're going to wrap it up for the morning. We are up today, 3.69. Thanks, Martin. See you later. Thanks, guys. It's been a very good morning. Very, very good morning. Everything is turning green now. I've just got $1,500 to make, 3%, and I'll be green across the entire board, which would be very, very nice to see indeed. Mullins made me some money again. Quick trade on this. I don't know. I'll leave it there for now. And we'll try and pick up some more if it goes any lower. All right, that's it. Thank you ever so much for being Simon Jones, Bobby San, Peru Invest, all the traders. See you all back later for the closing bell, if not the Ukraine event. Take care of yourselves and each other.